A wonderful morning to everybody. This is the final session for our markets. The 31st of December 2025 we are sitting on. And also the final date amongst the key dates we have mentioned for this December in our monthly market outlook. The high and low can be marked out based on the today's high and low, and even you can take the yesterday's as well for reference. You can take the trade based on the break where it is really giving. That is very simple based on the behavior analysis till the yesterday's one we have taken. And based on today's one, you can focus on the high and low and take the trades in the upcoming sessions. For the month of January 2026, the behavior-based analysis will be done and the report will be circulated for you all to make aware how the month of January 2026 will be there for our markets, how to approach this, the strategies to be built, and the levels, what are the levels we should follow, along with the core information about where the trend will be lying, and the dates along with that also will be discussed in that report that will be circulated soon. So the pre-market session for the day, the final day today, will be in the way of opening the flat manner for the Nifty and the Sensex. And after opening, the trend may be becoming sideways with a range-bound volatility also. Rarely we can see now and then. But for this, the 25,880 should be watched out. The level of this 25,880 should be get protected without breaking down. If the level of 25,880 is being held, means the Nifty may be trying to retest the zone of 26,050, 26,150. Maybe happen within a day. And in case if it happens below the 25,880 breakdown, means where we can see the chances for testing the 25,700 zone. Multiple times already it has been tested, but this time it is very crucial. If the 25,700 is getting approached, means we should be very cautious on the long positions, particularly from the positional basis you are having. Because the breakdown, if any happens this time below the 25,700, there may be a chance for the corrective phase getting onset. There onwards, we can see how the trend going to be after confirming the corrective phase at the initial stage of 25,700 below breakdown. And we can see the continuous correction that may be happening till the level of 25,365, 25,200, 25,000 around the zone. So these are all the levels we should watch out if the correction confirmation given by the Nifty. But as for now, there is no confirmation yet. Still the 25,700 on the daily closing basis, the market is actually holding, means nothing to worry about the correction, which is actually a cautious stance we have expressed with you to make the trading decision or a positional based decision and all in a wise manner, so that we have informed it very advancedly. But do not think about that kind of correction onset currently, particularly for the day traders or a day 1 or 2, 3 days trading behavior may not be need to focus on that particular point, which is required to be focused on the daily levels we are providing for the day. And as for now, till the 25,880 is being held by the Nifty in today's trend, we can see the upward attempts can be seen slowly it may be inching up towards the level of 26,000, 26,050, 26,150, right? So anyhow, there may not be fruitful activities amongst the sectoral index. That means the benchmark, starting with the benchmark of Nifty and Sensex till the mid cap one. So all available trading indexes may not be giving a good momentum for you all. So it is better to stay away from the index oriented trades if you are a safe trader. Only the risk appetite traders can focus on the index oriented, starting from Nifty 2 till mid cap index. For the day, the sectors like metal, bank, automobile, defense, realty, IT can be focused, which are expected to move the markets today, and that too with a selective stock basis and not in a wholesome of actions can be seen. And from the stocks front, the day traders can focus on the news and technical behavior based stocks like Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge Limited, Jindal Steel and Power, SAIL. And we have already recommended it and recommended to book the profit as well. Lupin, Power Corporation, Rights Limited, Interglobe Aviation, Hindustan Copper, Indian Bank. So these are the core stocks one can focus to get an enhanced trading opportunities in today's one. Positionally, as long as the 25,700 levels are kept by the Nifty side, nothing to worry about the correction or nothing to worry about any trend change. Since it is being protected, the chance for making 26,300 also on cards till it is holding. Keeping stop loss would be required highly to make either side of trades in a way of safe and clarity oriented. More than that, to enjoy the better risk and the reward, it would be required to maintain stop loss across your transactions in all kind of trades. So that's it from today's pre-market discussion we can have. We wish everyone to have a happy, prosperous, blissful, and a successful year 2026, which may be in advance, but anyhow, the final session, it is going to be. So we wish everyone to have this day with successful and starting to be this day to ending of 2026, 31st. Till now, we wish everyone to have a fantastic experience in terms of trading through the way of following the behavioral analysis and its outcome. So which will be very much helpful you to make understand first and take the decision on it, afterwards implementing. So in all the stages, we will be assisting you all in the way of taking the trading as well as the investment oriented decisions from our Goodwill Research Desk. Thank you for participating. Have a nice day and wishing an advanced Happy New Year 2026 to all. Bye-bye.